Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to change your location on TikTok Shop. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in support.tiktok.com where I found a guide that explained everything about location information on TikTok. So right here, if we scroll down, we're gonna find how to turn location services on or off in TikTok. If location services is available for TikTok in your region, you can choose to turn location services on or off in your privacy settings. To turn location services on or off in TikTok, in the TikTok app, tap Profile at the bottom, tap the menu button at the top, then tap Settings and Privacy, tap Privacy, then tap Location Services. Choose Allocation Access Permission for TikTok. If you're located in Bangladesh, Cambodia, Indonesia, Japan, Malaysia, Pakistan, the Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, or Vietnam, you may also have an additional settings to turn precise location on or off. You can also update your location services settings directly in your device's settings. Learn more in the Google Account Help Center or Apple Support. Due to manufacturer issues, some Android devices might indicate that precise location, if available in your region, is turned on in TikTok app, even though precise location is turned off in your device settings. In such cases, TikTok will prioritize your device settings and ensure that only approximate information is collected from your device's GPS data. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.